Is shoulder arthritis making everyday tasks feel impossible? Maybe reaching overhead or carrying groceries sends a painful jolt through your shoulder and you're tired of living with this discomfort. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you 3 simple exercises to help relieve shoulder pain arthritis and help you move more freely without intense stretching or invasive treatments. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Comeback Performance, where we've helped over 1,000 people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, we're going to talk about what shoulder arthritis is and 3 exercises to help alleviate the pain. Let's first start out by talking about what shoulder arthritis is. There are a few different types of arthritis that can affect the shoulder. The first form is called osteoarthritis, or wear and tear on the joint. This is where cartilage in the joint starts to wear away over time from repetitive tasks over and over. This is a totally normal part of the aging process and can be managed well with the right exercises and stretches to get the shoulders moving more freely. The second type of arthritis is called rheumatoid arthritis. This is an autoimmune condition where the body's inner lining attacks the joints, causing pain and inflammation. In this type, the immune system mistakenly attacks the joints, causing that pain. Genetics play a big factor in this, as well as diet. Early treatment for this is usually done with medication and exercise management. This is done to help control the inflammation and protect the joints from becoming damaged. The last form is called post-traumatic arthritis. This is arthritis that occurs after a joint injury or fracture. Damage from the injury can weaken or change the structure of the joint, leading to that arthritis over time. Proper rehab after the injury can decrease the risk of arthritis in the future. Regardless of the type of arthritis, common symptoms are pain, inflammation, and stiffness in the shoulder joint. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. Another big area that has to be addressed is the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine starts below the neck and goes all the way down like that. If we're not having the proper extension in it, if we're flexed like this, we can only raise our shoulders up so much. If we can get that extension all the way there, we're able to lift our shoulder into all those positions more freely and smoother. The first exercise up is a wall slide, getting upward rotation of the shoulder blade. For the wall slide exercise, you're gonna head over to the wall, placing one foot in front of the other and your hands on the wall with your pinkies touching. From there, push into the wall slightly and lift your arms up the wall, leaning your chest forward at the top. You're gonna feel your shoulder blades moving up and around, and that's exactly what we're going for. Complete 10 to 12 reps of this exercise, making sure that you're not pushing into pain. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise is going to target the thoracic spine. Getting movement in this area can significantly offload an arthritic shoulder. The next exercise is called a wall open book. You're going to head over to the wall. You're going to get into a half kneel against the wall, making sure that your hip is staying connected to the wall. From there, you're going to keep your hands together and you're going to open up into an open book position, making sure to follow your eyes with your hands as your palms are staying open. Move through whatever motion that you can with the goal to get your other shoulder to the wall and then return to the starting position. Complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps on each side, taking note if one side is able to rotate more than the other. Make sure to keep your hips connected to the wall the entire time. Now that we've completed 2 mobility exercises, now it's time to move on to strengthening with a banded W hold. This is going to strengthen the muscles of the back of the shoulder to help offload the arthritic shoulder, while also providing stability to the shoulder joint. You're going to grab a band, and while keeping your palms up, you're going to keep your elbows by your side. Create tension in the band by pulling the band apart, making sure that your elbows are still connected to your side. While making a W-shaped pattern, you're going to hold the position for 3 to 5 seconds, feeling the engagement in the back of your shoulders. Shoot for 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. If you want to make this harder, you can increase the reps or increase the whole time that you're doing. You should feel this exercise in the back of your shoulder and not the front. And there you have it. 3 simple and easy exercises to help with your shoulder arthritis pain. With the wall slides to improve mobility, open books to unlock your upper thoracic spine, and banded W holds to improve shoulder strengthening and stability for the joint. Remember, consistency is key. Mix these exercises into your workouts and see how the shoulders start to feel. If you are having pain, you are likely doing the exercises incorrectly or doing too many reps for what the shoulders can withstand. If you're tired of dealing with this shoulder pain and you've done injections, surgeries, physical therapy, chiropractic, massage, or other things that didn't work, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.